Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't been posting for a while. We're doing a slime video. So let me move this shaving cream. There's over there for you. We're gonna make slime, okay? Okay, so let's add our glue.
I know how to do it.
So we're gonna add our glue.
So yeah, add your glue.
I should have to actually open this.
I'm opening mine like this. It takes forever. I'm gonna open the cap completely like me.
There's like milk here.
Well, that's not milk. Oh wow, it's coming
Is that water?
No, it's the activator.
Oh, the activator.
Well, this coming out.
Oh, how do you do that?
Here, let me do it.
Okay, I need help.
Nick, just hold mine like this so it doesn't spill.
And then rinse it out.
Nick,
And then
hold mine.
Okay.
Hold it like that so I can do it. Okay. Here, take it. So just squeeze it out. Squeeze it out, Nick.
Oh,
I'm not doing this for you. Wait, are we supposed to put water in it, Nate?
Really? You put the water in.
Can you do it? Because I don't.
You put the water in the bottle, and then shake it up.
yeah, you shake it up. So I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like.
Yeah. So mine looks like this.
It has glue in it.
It's just glue, guys. No one wants to see glue.
Okay, so let's go rinse it out, Nick. We'll be right back.
I'll wait for you guys.
We all.
We'll be right back. Okay, so here you go, guys. We're adding water to this.
And then we got shaken
Don't add the water all the way.
Shake it. Nick, you're supposed to shake it.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, do I pour it in now?
Yeah, pour it in. Don't do all of it. You don't want to overwater it.
So do it half.
Yeah, so that's pretty good. So I just have glue and
It's a brain.
Next,
we're gonna have glue and we have glue and water right now. So
next you want to add your shaving foam.
So it's shaving foam is right here.
Should we add it, Nate?
Another YouTube. So
Shake it up.
shake
and then add
it. We have the shaving cream.
This seems watery.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's
Whoa.
very watery.
Whoa! Mine isn't. Mine's just hard to get out. So we're adding the shaving cream. Well, do we add all of it?
No,
I want
that
to.
should be enough.
You guys could probably almost see Kaylee's shaving cream right now.
Is that
Oh my gosh, this is a lot.
Okay, that's good.
I overdid mine.
Okay, we probably did overdid that.
And now what you want to do is mix it together.
I
With our
overdid mine.
spoon. We have our spoon and it's filled with shaving cream.
I overdid mine, I think.
Yeah, we kind of overdid it.
I want to use my hands, but no.
This is what mine looks like.
Y'all.
This is
Ooh.
my hands are all.
You guys probably can't see it because it's white, but I have a bunch of shaving
Next,
cream.
I'm pretty sure we should add the food coloring
Yeah,
to
probably.
dye the colors.
Yeah, and then add the food coloring.
And then we'll add the activator. Nick, you got the top spot, so you're lucky. Is mine good, Nate?
Yeah, add the food coloring.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna mix mine more.
I need blue and red to make purple. Guys, I'm gonna make purple slime.
What should I make? Red. Orange.
So this is why we have this. That's why we have that.
Nick, I'm
this
using
for?
that.
Oh.
It's food.
Oh yeah, food.
Don't
Nick,
want to
I
add
need
too
to-
much.
I need different colors. I want two kind of different colors, or maybe I just get green. So I'm gonna get green food coloring. Oh, mine looks so weird.
Should I mix it now, Nate?
So this is, guys, this is what my food.
Whoa, that looks cool, you guys. It looks cool.
It doesn't. It looks black. It's black. It looks black.
Mine look black. Look, mine's kind of purple, guys.
Oh, it's mixed. Can you show them?
Yeah, this is what my, you can't really see it. It's
Yeah.
purple, blue, and red. Kind of, and white. Because they're the same thing. Guys, this
I'm gonna
looks
do
pretty.
blue,
I wish
too.
you could see the same. I'm
They'll show it. They'll see it later on in the video. So I have
So if you guys stay in the video, you'll
Mine
see.
is orange.
Guys, I think I should.
He loves
we should
orange
get
for
glitter.
some reason.
Guys, once we're done with it, if you want to decorate it, you can add glitter or something. That's
Yeah.
what I'm gonna do for mine. Purple with glitter sparkle. That's what we did to our other slime.
We
Mine
made
is
slime
blue
at our
with glitter.
camp. We made
Yeah.
slime at our camp.
Yeah, we made slime at our day camp. If you've never been there, you should go. 'Cause it's fun. Yeah, it's very fun to do that. So mine's almost done
Keep on
mixing.
mixing.
Nate, you made teal slime. Oh, I want that slime.
I look at this, guys.
He made teal. No
This
fair.
is what mine looks like. It looks greenish.
It's teal.
Mine
It's teal.
is teal.
Now what you want to add is slowly the
Add
Staflo.
stuff low. Do you think mine's done mixing? Because it's not really complete.
Mine is not done mixing. Oh my god.
Okay, I think I should add mine. Yeah. Okay, so slowly add some.
So you're gonna slowly add your
Nick.
stuff, and I dropped mine, so I'm gonna put it back up. And another notification. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's our thing for our thing.
Okay.
Our thing for our thing.
I slowly am
So
adding.
I need to do
Whoa,
my hands.
Nick,
'cause I need
look. Nick, look. It's sticky.
to, now I'm gonna get my hands all
Mine's
dirty.
sticky. It's okay to get dirty. I think I add too much.
Nope, just keep on adding.
Oh, that is so sticky. Ugh. Wrong idea.
I haven't done my staple yet.
Staflo.
It's starting to get sticky.
Mine is. It looks weird. I'm making a big mess right now. Ugh. It's
I'm
sticky.
still mixing. So if you mix longer, it's better for me. That's what I say.
It's so sticky, Nate. Look, guys.
My
look.
hands are so dirty and
I feel like I want to use. Do we use all the Staflo though?
you probably should.
I don't know.
Guys,
It
look,
makes-
it's so sticky.
Look, show them it.
I did. Ooh.
It's all purpley.
Yeah. Oh, there's some different colors going on right now. I don't know how.
I need more.
I don't know anything.
Come here.
I feel like I should.
Do you
add
think
some
I'm
green.
good?
Where's the green? I need some green.
I've used about half of my Staflo.
It's
I-
blue.
Staflo. It's Staflo.
Same thing.
I'm adding a little bit green. It's not really gonna change the color.
I'm just having green. And there is a little blue in it, but once you mix it more, you can't really see the blue.
Mine has green stripes in it,
So I'm
that's
just
what
gonna-
I'm going for. Mine looks so cute.
I'm gonna get more paper towel.
I'm down to barely any stuff right now. But this looks amazing with the green in it. Guys, I'm going to show you in a minute what it looks like, but I gotta finish mixing. So, see you guys in a minute once I'm done mixing this.
I'm gonna add I want a little bit.
Your hands are green.
I know.
Green strips looks pretty. Okay, I think I added too much shaving cream now, so like.
I'm just adding a little bit of yellow. It kind of look ugly. It looks like.
Another notification.
Jeez.
Oh my
I must have a lot of subscribers. Well, I haven't been posting for a while, so I'm mixing.
That's probably why. Wait, is this live
No, it's not live.
on YouTube?
We're making a video about it, Kaylee.
So can people watch it now?
Not this second, but like once we upload it.
Okay. Ooh, that looks cool.
Nate's looks cool.
I kind of want to
see
use
it.
my hands. I think like.
Mine doesn't look like anything because I haven't added the staple yet.
Should I add yours for you so you don't spell anything? Nick?
No, mine's good.
I added some blue in mine.
I'm gonna add my stay glue, guys.
Do it a little bit and then mix it. That's enough. Then mix it.
And then
all.
mix it.
Yeah. I'm not done with my stuff. I'm just gonna add it all this time.
Oh, that's the cap.
I just added all my stuff, so it's just stuff left. Now it looks slimy.
Mine doesn't look that much because I didn't add that
I feel
much.
like I could use my hand.
I should probably. I probably did too much and I was.
Ooh,
Mine
it feels
doesn't
good
look
on
that
my
bad.
hand. It feels relaxing on my hands when you just take your hands in it. I use the rest of my stuff well. I think I did this wrong, but oh well. Hey,
I'm gonna add a little more on my
stuff.
staff glue. That's a little too much.
It's so good. Guys, I think mine's turning into cotton candy colors. Because I added blue, and then green, then pink. And now it's just turning into blue and pink mixed together, and it kind of looks like cotton candy right now. Ooh,
My hands are all.
Nick, you didn't mix it up all the way. So I see some white. Yeah. Oh, my spoon's getting covered. No! Nick, do you think I can use my hands?
Can you mix better?
Once it's not sticky, which mine is a little, but
Can you mix
Mine
better?
is
Can
too.
you mix better?
Look.
Okay.
Okay, mine looks good. Mine looks okay.
Okay.
Okay, mine too. Okay. Where do I put my spoon?
a little too. Just.
Can you
anywhere,
mix
really.
for me, Kaylee? Can you
Okay.
mix good for me?
Okay. Let me see your spoon. Okay. Hopefully I don't ruin her son.
And then I'll add the staple.
Yeah.
Staple.
A little bit. Just keep on pouring it while I mix, okay? I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's good. I'm trying not to ruin your pretty color. Oh,
Show them how it looks. It looks so sticky. Nate's is really
I think
good.
Nate's is the
best.
first, and then Nick's is the second. Mine's the last because it doesn't really look that good to me.
I like your song. It's purplish. It's good.
And bluish. Okay, Nick, more stuff low.
I know we're making a mess.
Oh shoot.
So I just added a little tiny bit. I'll add a
Lot of
little bit.
slime.
I know.
It is a lot of slime.
Mine is a tiny bit sticky, so I'm gonna have to add some more.
No. No.
What?
Oh, my slime is mixing into your slime.
Shoot.
I think you should just mix it. Put one hand on the bowl, Nick.
Yeah, mine is a little sticky. So
Ugh.
Mine is not sticky at all.
Yours is just like shaking.
Can I use a washcloth?
Oh,
Yeah, can you give? Oh, the stapler's on the bottom.
I need more.
I didn't mix mine all the way. That's
I need
why.
more paper towel. I'll be right back.
Everybody left in the Oh, there's all the blue food stuff. Oh my goodness. Ah! Pretty.
You should have done your hands first.
I need pictures from the slime making. Is that still going?
Yeah, it's still going. So mine is not like nothing. So I'm just gonna add the rest.
Yeah. You should probably. Mine.
Where's my spoon? Is it stuck in there? Oh, it's right here.
And filling staff well.
Yeah, because we're probably gonna need more stuff.
Don't add all of it though.
Okay, I need more stuff. Well, my
Just
cup's
remember.
completely pink and stuff, and mine's like a dark.
Mine is
color.
not gonna turn out. Mine's not gonna turn out.
Oh, on the bottom it's all slimy.
I like the green.
Yeah, Nick's
Well,
is
they're all
teal.
pretty.
Nick's
Mine
is
is not.
Can you guys lift it all up like that?
Mine is not good.
Teal.
See, mine didn't turn out.
It's okay.
Nice.
Mine didn't turn out. Now I need to wash my hands again.
What do you need to add to it to get it
Staff flow.
More stuff.
to get it more slimy, Nate?
Yeah,
Staff
staff well.
Oh,
Gave
more
you
of
some.
this.
Yeah.
Put your hands back in there. Mix this up.
Mine is like all sticky and slimy.
Can you
This is
someone
already
mix it up?
14
Kaylee, you want to
minutes
mix
Use
it
your
up?
hands.
Wow. No one's probably
I'll do
gonna
it.
watch this because it's 14 minutes long.
I'll do it.
But still, it's a good video.
People do like an hour video long.
Yeah, but
Making
we're not
slime?
gonna make an hour long video.
Sorry, I'm banging it on the table.
Oh, mine is like done. Oh, mine is getting slimy.
Mine's like
No.
another notification. Oh, this is all coming out perfect.
So you got stuff at the bottom here. Here's your slime right here.
Right there.
Perfect.
Well, move your hand. I'm trying to help you.
Okay, so I'm making a big mess here. Guys, I'm sorry about this.
I feel slime way at the bottom here.
It's right. Yeah, it's right.
I'm like
Starting to
Nate.
slime up.
Another
Just mix it up.
It must be a new hour. No, it's not.
Mix your hands or mix it up with your hands.
Look, guys, look. When it's like that, and it's all greenish.
Nate, should I erase no? Because you said not to add all your stuff here.
Little at a time,
You
Katie.
need to scrape the bottom a lot because there's slime at the very bottom.
Yeah.
I see a lot. I feel a lot of slime. Oh my gosh.
Now, at first, when you add the Staplo in, don't put your hands in because you don't want Staplo getting on your hands. So just do this for a tiny bit,
Well, I already did that.
and then you can go in with your hands.
Well, mine looks perfect, and I did my hair. Hopefully mine turns out because mine's a big ball of slime.
Guys, look. Mine's getting slimier, but it's not that bad.
You have a long ways to go to get up yours to ours.
It's on the table, Nick.
That's okay. I'm adding some of yours.
Guys, mind you that we're beginners, so it might take a little while.
Why spill the star? Someone go get it.
No. We're beginners.
Yeah, we're definitely beginners.
Hard to make slime when you're a beginner. Just whacking it over. I need to watch more videos on YouTube about slime. I watch 3-color slime videos and they come out perfect. But this one isn't turning out perfect.
I need more stapler. Where's my stapler cup?
I don't know.
Yeah, right there. It's right there.
Someone go get it.
No. You gotta
My hands are all dusty. What
What do you
else?
need?
I need that cup.
And
Add some of it, not all of it.
that.
Well, now I'm starting to work.
Now I'm gonna make mine very
Look at my
slimy.
big lump of slime. Mimi, look. It's so
Oh,
big.
wow. That's a lot of slime.
I'm gonna pick mine up with like
My mom's probably gonna make me throw it away. Wait, I don't think we can bring this on the plane.
Can you?
No.
It won't be any good by the time you leave. That slime doesn't
Oh my
last
gosh,
that
guys!
I'm having a big blob in my hand.
Oh, mine is all greenish and icky-ish.
Mine's so cool though.
There's some slimish stuff on the.
Oh, Nick. Oh, you made the biggest mess.
I know. I'm messy.
He got it all over the table. Oh, I just made 2 bubbles, guys. Woo! I made a slime bubble, guys. Look. And I made one here, but it popped. I'm gonna pop it. I'm gonna see if I can make a big bubble with my
Okay, one more good picture, guys.
Okay. But it's gonna take a
Happy
picture.
slime faces.
We're gonna make
We're making a picture.
We're gonna do a picture for a minute, okay?
One. Nate, you need to get in closer. 1, 2, 3. Hold up your slime.
Oh,
Perfect.
Okay, so we are back with this amazing slime.
I don't think mine's amazing.
I think mine's cool because look.
Mine is horrible.
I just finished my stuff though.
No.
Nate's got on the paper towel. Oh, he's adding more food coloring to his. He got rid of his balls. Nate, do you think mine's good enough to go on the table like yours?
Maybe a little more Staplo.
Well, I just
I need
added
more
all
staffle.
mine.
Where's the staffle cup?
I just added all my staff.
I need the staffle cup.
I just added all my
Please.
staff name and it feels good. Put it right here so I can just.
I don't know how to do that, but I can't believe we're recording this. But
Oh my gosh, I might have added too much stuff. Well, now it's all cool.
I'm just playing with my slime, trying to make it better.
I'm just trying to add
I'm gonna wash
staff.
my hands and then I might put mine on the table.
No, you will show up along with spoon. Oh, you got it on the cup. Let me fix it. Next is like taking over.
Kind of. Nyx is like a monster.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Nick, yours made a
I
big
like the
mess.
green. Did you pick that because you know I like it, or did you just
I
pick
just
it?
picked it.
You're supposed to say, yeah, Mom, I picked it for you.
You got blue and green.
That's what butter.
What does blue and green make? I forgot, guys. Blue and green makes blood.
So guys, I made the biggest mess. Just
What does blue and green make?
Blue and green make. Oh no.
I forgot.
I know green and yellow make
Brown.
Blue.
gosh, I don't know, green and yellow.
Make blue.
Yellow and red make, I don't even know anymore. That's sad.
Yellow and red make orange.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't even know that, Mimi?
So what makes blue, or what makes green? Yellow and,
Blue.
yeah. Very good.
I need yellow. Where's yellow?
there is like yellow though.
There is.
And I'm gonna add more staff glue so it doesn't make a big mess on the table.
Well, it already did.
You don't want to add too much staff glue because
That is too firm.
too stringy.
Oh.
I want mine to be stringy.
I think we added a little too much shaving foam.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
because
Good
now
job, you guys. It looks like good slime.
mine does. Nate, do you think
Yeah,
I can
that,
put mine on my table?
that can go on the table.
Let me move.
I'm just adding a little more glue.
Some shaving cream. I think mine's horrible.
Mine is horrible.
Guys, comment down below if you like mine.
Who's do you like better? Kaylee's, Nick's, me.
There's a big
and
tank
Nate's.
of blue right here. Nate's is like orange and pinkish. Nick's is teal and mine's like a purple.
I tried to make it orange, but it wasn't working out,
Mine's
so I just
green.
added
Totally
all red, but
What color did you want it to be?
orange.
Oh, really? That's yellow and red.
Yeah, I added that,
Just
but
add some more yellow to it. Well, it looks, I don't know.
it looks pink.
It does kind of look pink.
I think I might need
Yeah, add a
a
little
little
bit.
Okay, mine's going on the table. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
I'm adding more shading.
Oh, shoot! Mine's making a big mess. Oh. Mine has slime stains. Sorry, baby, if we're messing up your table.
Well, I hope it doesn't do any damage.
It probably won't. It's just stains. They will come off because it's slime.
Is mine ready to be on the table?
I don't think so.
Can you guys make it so I can
No.
happen? How do you guys do
Another notification.
How do you guys do that?
I staff low in a little bit of time.
What do you gotta do? Get it stiffer now?
Okay, someone can somebody add staff glue for me?
Fine.
Which one? Okay, here.
You need staff low.
Are you guys taping this still?
Yeah. Where's the thing?
Oh,
Ready, mix it. Now we're still taping this. I still gotta mix in all my color dye, cause
Just like me.
I added a little bit more color to it. I want it to be purple now, it's just green and blue technically. More blue. It's mostly green.
This is so horrible. I'm gonna add some
Keep
of
your
that.
slime on your side.
I'm gonna put some in this part might be ready.
Yeah.
Well, no. I'm way behind on this.
Yeah. Oh, one step. I don't Kaylee's next Stafflo. That's my Stafflo. That's your Stafflo. Just saying, we're beginners still. It's hard to make slime when you're beginners. You guys should understand that it's hard to do that.
Because we're not like big slime fan makers, you know.
Yeah, we just did this because we really wanted to make slime.
And well, my brother Nate
And-
is into slime very
Yeah,
well.
he's in the slime
I'm not into slime. I just know how to make it well.
too.
I'm putting mine on the table. There.
Oh, are you sure we're supposed to right now? Is he good
It's
for
fine.
putting it on the table, Nate?
I don't
I'm
know.
fine, okay, Kaylee?
My colors are
Mine's gonna end up
bad.
just like your guys's, but it's gonna,
Take a while.
yeah. I'm putting mine on the
You gotta
ground.
move it around with your wings a lot, like flip it and stuff.
Yeah, we added too much foam.
I think it was perfect.
I think we added a little.
I
too
think
much.
it's perfect.
Mine is a big slime.
If you guys think we're adding too much stuff, well, say
Oh my
so.
gosh, Nick, that's a monster.
Nick made a monster, guys. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I think it's about time to end this. Because no one wants to watch a 26-minute video.
Oh, this is 26 minutes. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. Someone end this clip for me. Nate, you should do that. Thank you guys for watching this video.
My
I hope you
slime's
love this. I hope you guys like this. Mine didn't really turn out good. And comment down below who's like if you like better, Kaylee's, mine, or Nate's.
Please vote for me.
It doesn't matter, Kaylee.
Please just vote for me.
Okay.
And we'll do another video about this when it's done. And yeah, so see you guys later.
So someone end this, please. Bye, guys.